Question 1. What unusual thing do hippos secrete that acts as a sunscreen? Answer B. Pink sweat. Question 2. Which animal can sleep for up to 3 years at a time? Answer A. Snail. Question 3. What unusual feature do platypuses have that helps them hunt? Answer C. Electroreception. Question 4. Which animal can survive being frozen? Answer A. Wood frog. Question 5. Which animal's heart makes up about 15% of its body weight? Answer C. Hummingbird. Question 6. Which of these animals can't walk backward? Answer B. Kangaroo. Question 7. What animal has fingerprints almost identical to humans? Answer A. Koala. Question 8. Which animal kisses by rubbing noses? Answer C. Penguin. Question 9. What animal often gets intoxicated from eating fermented fruit? Answer B. Monkey. Question 10. What animal communicates by dancing? Answer A. Bee.